When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, the road seems long and a great big hill. When the funds are low and your debts are high, don't fake a smile when you need to cry. Now is the time to fully express and admit, share out your fears, but don't you quit. Everyone faces setbacks, pain and strife, personalised challenges set before you for this life. Sharing the dark times, we can appreciate the light. We wouldn't notice the stars if we didn't see the night. Life has twists and turns and many a blind bend. Be cautious yet take risks are in order to transcend. Fear is a thought, false evidence appearing real. Can grow in your mind for it to lie, cheat and steal. Stop, take a break, then take another shot. No race or competition, life's about the dash, not the dot. A problem is halved when a worry is shared. Family, friends, and yes, even strangers do care. Answers within and connections in reach. Words of great wisdom, we pay it forwards to teach. Give someone a fish, they will eat for a day. Teach them how to fish, takes their hunger away. Don't judge who struggle along their path, not having walked in their shoes or carried forth from their past. Stand in people's shoes for a week or a day only reveals a page of who they are today. Life has many blessings, take a look around. A gift called the present, where love and beauty can be found. Learn from each other, humanly connected and spiritually united. Our souls on a journey, deeply loved and divinely we are guided.